Good afternoon, everyone. Learned, the founder, president of the Institute, Sri Vishwanath Karat, Sri Bhiman Banerjee, Sri K. Natwar Singh Ji, Rahul V. Karat, Mahesh Tapase, and other dignitaries on the dais, of the dais, students, ladies and gentlemen, media friends. It's indeed an honor for me to be here to address the open declaration of these temples of democracy and seas a global perspective. First of all, I express my deep sense of gratitude to the organizers of the institution. It's really a daunting task to say things that would make an impact on the audience within the time of duration of 3 to 5 minutes, especially considering the panel of organizers that includes such eminent people who are on the dais. Through their words of wisdom have been inspiring our society since decades. When I recall that they have extended invitation to me for a cause and purpose which are so nobly intended, exceptionally intense, and extraordinarily vast, my responsibility becomes all the more challenging. It's indeed heartening to note that this 3 day conference is an academic and a non political exercise, and it is aimed at making the youth of this nation vibrant and energetic partners in the process of nation building. As a starting point, let me allude to the founder of Bharatiya Chat Sansad, Sri Rahul V. Karat and Vishwanath Karat, which were very pertinent and significant. He says, many youths are living through pessimism and negativity. Some of this is natural as we have been experiencing a revolution of rising expectations. Hopes are high, but are often not realized. They breeds cynicism, but by remaining in isolation and drawing negative notions and perceptions toward politicians and political parties will not address issues. We all talk about the change we want in governance, but are not willing to contribute where it matters the most. Transparent and accountable governance will remain a far-fetched idea unless spirited, educated, and trained young men and women participate in political and democratic process. Sri Karadji absolutely right in drawing our attention to the importance of being less cynical and more purposive in our attitude to nation building. Democracy is really under siege, considering the attacks it is subjected to from all sides. Our planet, formed by two hemispheres, contain within itself an inbuilt inequality where the north is relatively affluent while the south strains itself to come to terms with many problems. Abraham Lincoln gave the most appropriate definition of democracy when he said, it's for people, by the people, and of the people. People are pivot around which democracy revolves. An attempt to undermine the people would inevitably result in chaos and disorderliness. Therefore, humanity is extended with many forms of government and finally settled down for democracy as it offers maximum opportunities for people's participation. We are a nation of overwhelming youth population, and this is definitely a boon and not a bane. Therefore, I call upon the young men and women to contemplate on the solutions to the problems prevalent in various walks of life so that we will give up to the promise. I thank the stalwarts who have given me the opportunity to address you. I am sure you are going to contribute a great deal for the betterment of our society. I look forward to very exciting sessions today and tomorrow. Thank you, one and all.